Sleep isn't passive. It's a highly active process where your brain and body go into repair mode. You cycle through stages, from light sleep to deep sleep, and eventually REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. Each stage serves a different function. Deep sleep repairs muscle and immune function. REM sleep processes emotions, memories, and learning. Non-REM sleep regulates hormones and metabolism. Your brain isn't resting, it's rewiring. From an evolutionary perspective, sleep is dangerous. You're vulnerable to predators. You can't hunt or reproduce. So why didn't evolution get rid of it? Because nothing else your brain or body can do, while awake, replaces what sleep provides. It's not optional, it's essential. Even simple animals like worms, insects, and jellyfish show sleep-like cycles. That suggests sleep evolved before complex brains, meaning it's one of life's most fundamental processes. One of the biggest discoveries in sleep science is the glymphatic system, your brain's overnight cleaning crew. While you sleep, cerebrospinal fluid flushes through your brain, clearing out toxic waste, including beta amyloid, a compound linked to Alzheimer's disease. This process ramps up during deep sleep, meaning if you cut your sleep short, your brain doesn't get fully cleaned. You're not just groggy the next day. You're literally carrying biological garbage. Sleep also plays a critical role in learning. During REM sleep, your brain reactivates and reorganizes the information you encountered during the day. This strengthens neural connections, especially in the hippocampus and neocortex, helping to transfer short-term memories into long-term storage. Students who sleep after studying retain 30 to 40% more than those who stay awake. In short, if you don't sleep, you don't learn. Ever notice how everything feels worse when you're sleep deprived? That's because sleep resets your emotional regulation systems. It reduces activity in the amygdala, your fear center, and restores balance to mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. It also balances key hormones: cortisol, stress, leptin and ghrelin, hunger, melatonin, circadian rhythm. Sleep isn't just for rest, it's for emotional and metabolic survival. Sleep deprivation can lead to impaired memory and focus, increased risk of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes, weakened immune function, emotional instability, microsleeps, random moments of unconsciousness while awake. After 24 hours awake, your brain functions like someone with a blood alcohol level of 0.10, legally drunk. Go long enough without sleep, and it can be fatal. In extreme cases, sleep deprivation causes psychosis, hallucinations, and even death, as seen in rare conditions like fatal familial insomnia. Sleep isn't lazy, it's biological maintenance. You sleep because your brain demands it, your body needs it, and your mind depends on it. So the next time you try to skip sleep to get more done, remember, sleep isn't what stops you from functioning. It's what makes functioning possible. Thanks for watching Why. Subscribe for more science behind the everyday habits that keep you alive.